Earlier this year, a Tesla model showed up on the EPA website that no one had ever heard of, a Tesla Model Y standard range with 279 miles of range. No such car exists on the Tesla website. In fact, the last we heard, Elon Musk had put the kibosh on a less expensive standard range version because it could not qualify for an EPA rating of more than 250 miles, a key metric in his opinion. But sharp-eyed observers at last week's Cyber Rodeo at the new Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, noticed such a car during the presentation. That's right, the new Tesla Model Y, with the long-awaited 4680 battery installed. This is what we will be talking about today. But first, welcome to Tesla Unity, where we talk about the future of Tesla, Tesla stock, and Elon Musk's projects. If you're new here, it will be greatly appreciated if you liked and subscribed to our channel. It's free and you can always change your mind. According to recent news, the Tesla Model Y car is the first to be fitted with Tesla's new 4680 battery cells that are twice the size of battery cells currently used in the Model Y long range but store 5 times as much energy. They are packaged in a new structural battery pack that helps keep manufacturing costs down, which leads to lower prices for consumers. To be clear, Sly actually toured Tesla's new Austin Gigafactory, and he was almost certain that a new Model Y with 4680 cells was in his future. However, with demand so high and delivery windows far away, Sly was smart to place an order back in October 2021, though it was for the current Model Y long-range option. Sly figured he could float the Model Y long-range order in hopes that he could get one of the new made-in-Texas options. That said, rumors started circulating that Tesla will be using the 4680 battery cells and structural pack in a new standard range all-wheel drive version. This is the part that changed Sly's mind. The Model Y standard range all-wheel drive with 4680 cells has 270 miles of range and a 5-second 0 to 60 mph time. It carries a starting price of $59,990. In comparison, Tesla's website currently lists the Model Y long range with a starting price of $62,990. For the extra $3,000, you get 330 miles of range, as well as a 0 to 60 time that's just a touch quicker. However, you don't get the new cells or pack. Keep in mind that when Sly ordered his Model Y in October of last year, he locked in the current price at the time, which was less than the new Model Y costs today. Tesla changes prices often, but our articles indicate that the long-range version started at around $56,990, or less depending on the timing, in October 2021. Sly says his order was $53,000. Sly notes that the extra range is really a no-brainer. This is especially true if the EV costs less and he can take delivery sooner. Let's face it, if you're driving a Model Y, it's likely most folks will have no idea which cells and pack style it has. On the flip side, you will know that you have much less range. It all really comes down to whether you have an existing Model Y order, and what your use case is for the EV. There are several other reasons Sly decided to reverse course and stick with his earlier order. He talks about charging speed, charging to 100%, and the fact that it appears the 4680 cells and structural pack aren't yet pricing cheaper than Tesla's current tech. It seems it will take economies of scale to get to a point where Tesla may be able to prove the cost savings. Tesla delivers its first Model Y vehicles with 4680 batteries from Giga, Texas. While Tesla's CEO Elon Musk did reveal a few juicy bits of information at Tesla's Cyber Rodeo delivery party last evening, there wasn't a whole lot of new material, and future plans, details, and dates were lacking. That said, tweets and videos from fans, owners, and investors attending the event delivered more compelling information. For example, Tesla had several unique displays prepared for the event, including one that revealed production-level 4680 battery cells manufactured at Giga, Texas. Musk noted in his speech that Tesla's Austin Gigafactory is ready to roll with the production of the 4680 cells, and vehicle production at the factory is all-inclusive. Essentially, the plant is designed to provide every facet of the manufacturing process under one roof. The text on the hanging metal plaque above reads, "Made at Gigafactory, Texas, our new tabless 4680 cell lowers the cost per kilowatt hour. We have everything we need under one roof to produce and assemble the first high-volume structural battery pack, using our fully integrated process. The structural pack greatly reduces the number of parts used in both the battery pack and the car, allowing our pack manufacturing line to be less than half the size of previous factories." Tesla promised the new 4680 battery cells and structural pack back at its Battery Day event in September 2020. However, at the time, Elon Musk made it clear that the technology wasn't coming anytime soon. Some skeptics believe the technology isn't monumental, and that Tesla may struggle to ramp it up. With the supply chain situations worsening across the globe, and automakers struggling to obtain battery materials, it will be highly encouraging if Tesla can pull all of this off in a timely manner. At this point, it appears Tesla has delivered on its battery day promises, and perhaps even ahead of schedule, but we have no idea how it's all going to play out. Tesla must now prove it can ramp up production on the cells and packs, and get them into production Model Y vehicles. The automaker did reveal a Model Y standard range at Giga Texas that was produced with the 4680s and new pack, though it's not yet delivering such a vehicle. It has been found that the 4680 cells are also better for the environment due to a new, Tesla-pioneered, lithium extraction and mining technique, dry electrode formation, use of silicon anode, and many more breakthroughs. Considering all of these advancements, it's thought that Giga Texas-made Model Y will be Tesla's most profitable vehicle to date, especially when we take into account that the EV maker has priced the refreshed Model Y close to the same price as the current Model Y. This is all wonderful on paper, however. One disappointment with the refreshed Model Y is how little range the vehicle has. Given all these advancements and based on Elon Musk's statements, we were predicting when it finally begins production the refreshed Model Y will have a 475-mile range. However, according to Tesla Raj, who was able to get into the new Model Y at the Cyber Rodeo event, the vehicle is all-wheel drive and has a 279-mile range. This has sent shockwaves throughout the Tesla community. Most were dumbfounded trying to figure out how Tesla's most advanced cells have produced a Model Y variant with the shortest range. Currently, at least in the US, the Model Y variant with the shortest range is the Performance Model Y, with a 303-mile range. As a result, some EV watchers have even gone so far as to conclude Tesla's Battery Day presentation was a lie. However, the EV maker has now explained why the 4680 Model Y only has a 279-mile range. To be clear, there's currently no indication or proof that Tesla is producing Model Y crossovers with the new battery tech, at least not for customers. Some may have been delivered at the event, but details are scarce, and we have no absolute proof that it happened. Hopefully, more details will become clear in the near future. Will you order the new Tesla Model Y? Let me know down below. If you want to continue to learn about Tesla, SpaceX, and Elon Musk, we have got 2 more videos waiting on the screen for you to check out. Don't forget to give this video a like, and subscribe for more videos about Tesla. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.